Hi guys, how's it going? Lori here on Vancouver Island, and it is another beautiful spring day in quarantine 2020. We're staying home, we're staying safe. Here in BC, they've extended things, kind of the distancing requirements until the middle of May now. So, yeah, it looks like this will be going on for a while. So, yeah. Anyway, I know it's been really tough on a lot of people, and so I hope that you can find something that'll bring a ray of sunlight and joy into your life. I know it can be really tough and really trying, but my heart is with you, and I'm hoping for the best for you. So thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thanks for leaving a comment if you have. And thanks for being you. Let's start painting. Okay, so I have my record is covered in white, and I am using blue again because I'm still I'm working on a second one for Nicole to choose from, and we'll see what she likes. Anyway, the colors that I'm using are Thalo blue, custom random blue, a deep cyan blue, my neon blue, cerulean blue, and sky blue from, ooh, that's gotten thick. Anyway, and again, I'm going to do a circle pour, and I might have diluted my cell activator a little bit too much, but we'll see. I didn't get very many cells out on the last time, and this time I think I'll try to remember to put my silver in, because I totally spaced on that on the last video. So anyway, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm totally in love with this, but I'm wondering if there's not just a little bit too much white down there, so I'm going to try just adding a little more of my blue in here, and then blowing it out. I don't need any more silver, I don't think. Alrighty, let's try this again. Okay, now I'm totally in love with it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. La la la. I can't wait till it settles and I bring you guys down for a close-up. You are going to just fall in love with this. It's so absolutely beautiful. So, I know I say it all the time, but this might be one of my favorites yet. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness, I just love it. The silver, remembering to add that really gave it another kick in the pants. So yeah, I'm totally in love with this. So I'll have to send Nicole a couple of pictures and see which one she likes the best. And I actually have a third. Let me show you what that option is. There we go. This one here will be option number 3 for her. So that's the one that I did a while back. It's already been finished with that that Liquitex, what was it? Liquitex varnish that I was not too impressed with, because look at the lines. You can see lines in it. Irritates me. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching today. Have a fantastic night. Take care of yourselves. And keep your chin up. Bye now.